Hello friends, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel named MS Consulting and Training. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel and also like and share this video. This is Manoj here. I am certified graphologist. Graphology means a science of handwriting analysis in a scientific way. And in today's video, I am going to share with you 10 tips for making a good positive signature. Before going into the subject, I just want to tell you what do you mean by good positive signature. So good positive signature doesn't mean that signature should be artistically great or it is very unique, etc., etc. Good and positive signature means it should give a long lasting good positive impact and spread positive vibrations, because signature is nothing but person's public image. So let's go back to the history of this. So before going to the history of this signature, I just want to share what do you mean by graphology. Graphology means the scientific study of the human handwriting, which also includes signature. So the origin of human signature happened due to, in old era, Roman kingdoms as well as Indian kings they use that time the royal seal for any transactions, for official documents, etc. They used to have a royal seals. Even Mughal Empire also they used to have. In Indian rulers, they used to call as Rajamudra, that royal seal which authorizes the person to do the transactions, etc., etc. So that concept human has adopted and started making signature just to authenticate documents, transactions, deals, etc. Now, before going ahead to our subject, let's try to understand how human develops the signature. So it has been observed that a human signature is a combination of all ideas what he or she can see from the surroundings. Maybe he or she get inspired from the signature of the parents or the handwriting of the parents, or maybe some relatives, friend, etc. Or in some cases got to know that got the findings that some people they have inspired from their favorite superstar signature. Just to sum up, my signature is a combination of one of my relatives, one alphabet from one of my relatives' signature. Starting alphabet I have taken from one of the superstars impression I noticed when I was in the school days, and remaining alphabets in the signature it's my own. I like that, that is why I incorporated. So to conclude that every signature person gets some influence from some or another. So let's go to our topic. I'm sharing with you the top 10 tips for making a good positive impression. So I'm showing you examples so that you will get the idea what you should do and what you should not. So let's take an example of a person named Mr. Rohit Sharma. So this is the tip number 1. If you see this Mr. Rohit Sharma, the signature is very clear, all alphabets are visible, and it is going from left to right and it is going upwards. So like if you are analyzing any graphs or anything, upwards graph is always a positive sign. Same way in signature analysis or in graphology, this type of upward movement of the alphabet shows that a positive mindset which always aims for a growth. So this is a positive trait in the signature. So you should always incorporate such type of angle in the signature. Then moving to the next tip, that is tip number 2. If you observe in this signature, there is a line below the signature or a full underscore is there. So such type of line or underscore shows that this person is having good support from his friends or relatives. Also it shows that this person is having good level of confidence. Good level of confidence means not high confidence, overconfident, or not low confidence. So whatever required, that much confidence is having with such type of signature. Next tip for a good signature is you must be seeing this signature. After the signature, below that 3-4 lines are under stroke are being drawn. So as I told you in earlier tip, underscore or line means confidence. So this person shows overconfidence, and because of the overconfidence, his public image is not good. He is not a popular person among his friends and relatives because of the overconfidence. Because of the overconfidence, such type of signature person will end up in taking wrong decisions. Hence, such type of signature is not at all recommended. Only one underline or one underscore is good. This is exaggeration of the confidence, so it's not good. Then next tip is, if you have observed in this signature, along with the signature a complete circling has happened. So circling means it's like a umbrella. So when it is raining, you carry umbrella and you open up the umbrella and you put it on your head. The purpose of using umbrella when it is raining is you want to keep a distance from the rain. So same principle applies here. Whenever this type of circling happens, such type of person wants to little away from the society, friends or relative. He keep a very safe distance. He doesn't mix up with the people, relatives or whatever. The intensity of such trait depends on how much big is the circling. So in this example of this Mr. Rohit Sharma, the circling is quite big and it is covering his name as well as surname. So that shows that this person is encircling or is living in very protective environment everywhere. If it is half, then 50% time he is remaining in the selective protective environment. It's like that. So such type of natives will develop in long run a relationship problem. They cannot share openly among the friends and relatives, and because of that such type of circling should be avoided. Another observation we can find out when such type of encircling is there around the signature is that the native wants to hide something from the general public. Maybe this what he or she is going to hide, it is good or bad, it depends person to person, varies person to person. But one thing is sure, this type of circling makes away the person from the people. Certain type of distance is been always been put by this person to the society. Then this is the tip number 5. If you have observed, in this signature there is a underscore or the line is there below the signature, but after putting the line, the person is again going to the first alphabet of R and again is going back to the last alphabet. So such type of trait completely shows that it is completely backtracking and again changing his mind and again taking the decisions. So such type of people, they have very low decision making powers. They do change lot of their decisions, yes, no, no, yes, etc. So this is the reason such type of natives, they will have less success in their professional life. Hence such type of signature should be avoided. Next tip, that is tip number 6. If you have observed in this signature, first alphabets of this Mr. Rohit Sharma, R, O, H, I, T, etc. are not at all completely visible, and plus they are overlapped. So overlapping the alphabets in the signature shows that confusing nature of the native. It also shows that the person is not able to mix properly his professional as well as family life. He is a confused person, goals are not proper, he is not focused, etc. So that is the reason such type of signature should be avoided. It doesn't create a good impact among the public. Then next, tip number 7. You are seeing this Mr. Rohit Sharma, not at all a single alphabet we can trace. We cannot understand where is R, we cannot understand what is his name, we cannot understand what is his surname. There is no Sharma, nothing, absolutely no clue. So it is a completely complex signature. So such type of signatures should be avoided. You will be surprised, many person, they make very complex signature like this, in that not at all a single alphabet one can read. So when I inquired with so many people, those who are having such type of signature, and I asked them what is the reason of making such type of signature. So one common reason among these people is they feel insecurity that someone will copy their signature. That is the biggest insecurity they feel, and that is the reason they make it very complex signature. But very interesting fact, statistic shows that it is very easy to copy such complex signature. Why? Because such complex signature is very easy to draw because there is no fixed pattern. Plus in this complex signature, person's own handwriting doesn't reveal, so that no alphabets are there properly formed. Hence it is very easy to copy such signature, and plus it gives very wrong impression among the public. One wrong impression is such native's identity is different in public than in the personal level. What they show, they are not like that. It may be good, may be bad, but they are not revealing their correct identity in the public, that is sure. Hence this type of signature one should avoid. So this is the tip number 7. Then next one, this is the tip number 8. You can see in this signature, this Rohit Sharma is written very well, but after doing the signature, it is been completely cross, like a cancelling. So such type of signature gives very cancelling effect, and such type of natives will end up getting fooled by the people, getting cheated by the people, and some cases they also try to fool to others, and in that process they get fooled themselves. So this type of signature is not at all recommended. Next tip, that is tip number 9. You must have seen lot of signatures around you. They are combination of two language scripts, maybe Hindi, English, Hindi, Marathi, or whatever. So what is the problem in this? By the graphology principle, such combination of two languages or two scripts shows that a drastic change in the environment, in the life of this person has happened. So for example, in this signature, this Rohit is written in the English Roman script and Sharma is written in Devanagari in Hindi script. So it shows this person, in this person's life, a drastic cultural or environmental change has happened. So to conclude such type of signature, they get confused in the environment. They cannot adjust to the present environment, and they used to think a lot about the earlier environment. Hence, because of this reason, such type of signature is not recommended. And the last and one of the best tip, that is tip number 10. As I told earlier while discussing the tip number 7, that complex overlapping signatures should always avoid. So this is the last and best tip, tip number 10. You can see in this tip, in this signature, below this Rohit Sharma is written. Below, the all alphabets are very clear, shows very clean, crystal clear, positive mindset. The angle is going left to right properly, so it is a progressive signature. The native of this signature always aims for a growth. And below to the signature, there is a proper one thick big underscore, so that shows the confidence level of this person. So overall, this is the one of the best type of signature one can have. And the last tip is, always try to make your signature simple. I discussed earlier that don't be afraid that simple signatures are copied easily. In fact, it is reverse. It has been proved. If you write your signature in a simple fashion, what your actual handwriting is, then it shows that it is very, very difficult to copy. So this is all about the 10 tips of making a good signature. If you want to do your paid signature analysis with nominal fees or signature analysis with your full handwriting analysis, you can put it in the comment section or you can drop me email. Okay, thank you.